just got loaded at Waste Management. We over here, babe? At Waste Management. We're about to scale ourselves to see how much we weigh.
Beaches.
And why are you saying that? Yeah, we're about to scale ourselves to see how much we weigh and go from there.
Yeah, I'm gonna need about that.
So our total weight is 77,000 pounds. You have to make sure we're under, is it 80?
80.
Yeah, make sure we're under 80, so it looks good.
I'll be back.
What you said?
I'll be back, my guys.
Okay.
That's what it is, it's cardboard box.
So we're about to slide our tandems to the 6 or 7 hole. Stop. So now I'm about to press the button. Yeah. It's between the 6 and 7.
Alright.
So he's putting in his information for the load onto the app.
Yeah.
We're about to take off.
Okay.
So we about to be out, y'all. We're gonna get some food.
We don't need no gas, so we good on gas.
Slide. So y'all, we in Tampa, and this load is going to somewhere in Alabama.
Pine Hills,
What he
Alabama.
Said, what he said to for tomorrow, basically, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for tomorrow, it's like 400 miles for how much?
800.
$800. So
Uh-huh.
like $2 a mile.
Okay, well, they find you something?
Niggas on the phone all day. Told y'all. But alright, I'll keep y'all updated.
Ah.
So I got some fried chicken. I ordered a 3-piece, but they gave me a fucking 2-piece. He said I should go in there and get the rest. What you got, tenders? So we finna eat, y'all. Y'all want some? So good. Popeyes is really good. They're just a little expensive.
I love.
We got some more groceries. Okay, we got some new groceries. I'm about to restock our little fridge. B trying to go back to buy a fan.
Cause it's hot as fuck in here.
Another fan. But, yeah.
The only reason I'm buying it is because my dog Dior got his tongue out. Go put the camera
At this point, you got your tongue out too. Hi, love Bookie. Hi. But yeah, I'm finna get this stuff together. Honestly, I don't know if all this stuff gonna even fit in our fridge because we got a like little ass fridge, but we gonna make it do what it do. Today, I'm gonna make us some pepper steaks, probably with mashed potatoes or rice, I'm not sure yet, and some broccoli. Oh, my shit falling, y'all. Hold on. Oh, he went and got the fan, y'all.
Step 1.
It come with a little remote and everything. Where is it? It got a little remote. Hopefully this helps with the heat, because it is hot.
It's bad.
Our fridge is restocked. Got some meat up there.
Who was it that
Produce
called
down here. The butter. Got the steaks ready.
Yeah, no. I told him that I know somebody who be getting $3,000 loads, and then he was like, "Yeah, Carlos, right?" And then he pulled up all your loads. My dispatchers. He pulled it up on the computer. He pulled up the loads that you delivered, and he said, "Oh, this how Carlos runs." And then he said, "Oh, look, this, da da da." He started explaining to me your loads, and then he was like, "Oh, I don't like to run like that because then it puts you in a bad spot on Monday." Yeah, that's what yeah. Hello, that's what I told him. I told him, shit, I don't give a fuck. I said, as long as I hit my 6,000, that's what I need.
So I'm gonna put these on the air fryer.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm gonna tell him, hey, look. I told him I need to be $6,000 plus. And then he said, "Oh yeah, we could do that. We could do that." I said, "All right, cool." Yeah.
Do 3 first, and then the other 3.
Then I found a route.
So we're gonna add some butter.
It only has like couple miles and there's no tolls. The one going through Chicago is like $60 in tolls, and then there's another route that it only has 25 minutes and it's $4 in tolls. I might take the $4 in tolls. Oh yeah. So fuck it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm ordering. I'm gonna call it next week. So the following week when I go home is there waiting for me. Cause what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home that week, and I'm really not gonna go home from a week. I'm gonna go home for a couple of days, leave my lady there because she's been on the truck with me too long, and then yeah. And no, she's right. Yeah. Yeah, And I got her right here with me. She's making me steaks right now. Yeah, we got an air fryer, crock pot, all type of shit in here. So she's gonna be cooking. So guys, we got a mini. We got a mini. Oh my gosh, she's been dying to do this video, hating on me for having friends.
He been on the phone this whole time. How am I gonna record the video, but you talking the whole time in the background?
My dogs call me.
Okay, well, step out the truck and talk to them. But
Hey.
anyways, we got a little mini
And we got a
noodle slash skillet cooker. Right now, I'm gonna either make the rice or the broccoli in here. I really got this to make noodles, but we can make other stuff in it too. So that's what we're about to do. It's so tiny, but it's so cute. It's just enough for both of us, because we don't need to eat that much rice for real, that much starch, so just the right size. We got this from Walmart. They have other little minis too, but that's for another day.
I think I'm gonna fill up tomorrow. That shit at 320.
That's at 320.
The gas.
So I'm gonna should I make the broccoli first or the rice? I'll make the rice first.
I'll turn on the truck then?
You don't have to, and I'm gonna have to unplug some stuff.
Yeah. So I'll turn it on now?
Yeah, cause the I ain't even started the steaks yet. So let me grab our rice. Okay, so I got my rice, got my butter, got some seasoning. I only have garlic, but we're gonna put some garlic and pepper in the rice. So I love jasmine rice. I think that's the best rice they ever created, honestly. So here go the jasmine. Let me open it. Okay, y'all, we ain't doing rice. We're gonna do these little potatoes instead. Loaded potatoes. I don't usually like making.
It's doing BB.
I know. I don't usually like making mashed potatoes out the pack, but
We on the damn road.
yeah, so we gonna make it do the do. Oh, shit, hard to open. Okay, the steak is done. It looks good. Back up, Bookie. All right, so mashed potatoes open. I guess I'm gonna just pour some and then add the water. I don't know. Let's see. I don't want to overdo it.
Hey, look at the cow.
It's a cow farm. Is cows in there? Yeah. I'm gonna put a half. Add some water. Pass me a spoon from the top. So was I supposed to put the water first? Alright, I'm gonna just add some water.
When we done, I'm finna go ahead and
Plug this up over here. Add a little bit of seasoning for the potatoes, a little garlic and pepper, but towards the end, I'm gonna add some butter. So, plug this up. Done with this So I'm adding a little bit of more water. You recording the food?
Yes!
Not me. Scream again, motherfucker. Add a little bit more water. I'm gonna stir it up. The luck is almost done though, y'all.
Damn, Way got it. Damn, that shit don't look well done. That shit look medium rare.
What?
That shit on it, kid.
What got blood?
The steak.
No, it don't.
Bruh.
You doing too much. The person that don't know how to cook.
I cook better than you.
Just because you burn your damn steaks, I need to be able to eat my shit.
So guys,
Turn my teeth.
we cooking right now because Way had turned my phone off while we was in Miami, and my boy Brandon, subscriber,
I turned your
my
phone
dog,
off.
my family member.
Wait. Don't get on here lying. For real. Stop. Don't get on here lying and tell the truth. What happened?
I was mad and I didn't want to answer nobody's phone call. But yeah, Brandon, my dog.
Shout out to
Brandon. Family member, cousin-in-law.
That's your cousin at this point.
Yeah, I think Brandon's breasting because he be kissing Crystal and her breasting.
Oh my gosh, stop being a hater.
But whatever. Brandon's a nice person. He made us a lot of food and we didn't fucking
we wasn't
get
able
it.
to get it because D was being a little dickhead. So yeah, I'm putting some butter, pepper, and garlic in the potatoes. Baby, I was done. Actually.
Well, we're done. We're gonna call you. We're gonna talk to you guys later when we're eating.
Be the cameraman.
Yeah, look at this shit. This
can't
shit
do
red. Red meat.
It's not red. Look. All right, boy. Don't eat it at this point. All right, the mashed potatoes look done.
Everything done, girl.
I gotta make the broccoli. That's last.
Wait, Wenisha, we're not eating no damn broccoli.
You don't want the broccoli?
Nah.
Okay, so.
This is good right here.
All right, cool.
She trying to.
So this gonna be our food, y'all.
All right, love you guys. See you guys in a few. They love us.
Like you guys. Come out. Ooh, that was hot. My broccoli. About to take it out because it's basically done. So we got steak, potatoes, and broccoli. And this is our dinner for today. Yeah, so it's like 3 or 4. I think it's like 4 in the morning. And we in Alabama. And it's like pitch black. I don't know how people could live out here. But I can't do it. We in like a little mini downtown area. I don't know what this is, honestly.
Small as hell.
But it's foggy. B is driving as always. Cause I'm passenger princess. It's foggy, y'all. On the dirt road, basically. I don't know where we at. That's why I don't like Alabama. We in Alabama, right? Yeah. Is this a one-way?
I don't know, babe, but I don't even know if I was supposed to turn down this shit.
Why would we see it down this way? Oh no. God damn. Yeah, this giving. Do the windshield wipers really quick. Like it's giving we on a dirt road or something. He said his GPS sent him this way. I don't know how true it is. Like we in the farm. At least it's daytime. Cause coming down here at night would be crazy. I see the little haze on the side of the road. Where are we?
I don't know. GPS took us
Carolina.
Should have just kept going the other way.
Definitely. Well, we here now, so ain't no turning back. And we on this road for 7 miles. I don't know. This looks scary. Vehicle this way. I don't see no cars, no trucks, nothing, no people. Oh my gosh, this must be a shortcut or something.
I don't know, bro. The GPS just told me to turn. I'll just find this
House. what the hell it is, honestly. But we're 2 miles from the actual highway that's supposed to take us to the drop-off. So yeah.
I get 7.
Got some eggs going. Bread over there. Sausages.
Oh, yeah. That's what I've been doing.
So this is B's, this is mine. I didn't want any eggs,
Yeah,
so I'm just eating a little sausage sandwich, breakfast, and we're gonna add a fruit to it, some type of fruit. I'm not sure yet. Maybe
that's a little ride.
an apple, or I got some melon. So yeah.
Yeah.
Trucker B.
And the manager.
Not the manager.
You're fired.
Bruh. So what we waiting?
Yeah.
Like what we for the next person or what?
Well, he's scaling, and I think somebody else got to scale out. Then I think I go next. I'm gonna call the lady to ask. Cause there's both docks that are open now. I'm gonna see.
Okay. Oh, I'm saying, and they told you what they told you about you speaking English.
Oh no, man! He told me how I said I speak good English.
You speak good English?
He said, "Oh, you speak good English." I said, "What was I supposed to be speaking?" You look Arab, son. He said, "The last Arab guy here, I couldn't understand him."
The funny part is you're not even Arab. Say it. Oh, sit. Sit. Yeah, I hit him trying to growl. He's like a little cat purring.
What is your little baddie?
I'm your little boo thing. Don't play with me.
I mean, she my little baby. What I said?
Oh, you called me a punta, motherfucker.
No, babe. Look at Babe backing up into a spot. Hey, look at Bay. Hey, she right in there.
So B let me try to park the truck today. And I'm not gonna lie, it was not easy. Dear, come this way. I'm not gonna lie, it was not easy. But I did it. I'm gonna show y'all how I did. Hold on. So y'all, this how I did. I got more space on this side, but I got in there. Few tries.